Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tools to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to share files in SharePoint 2025. SharePoint has evolved with new features that make collaboration smoother and more secure, especially in this fast-paced 2025 environment. Whether you're working in a team, sharing project files, or collaborating with external partners, mastering this will save you tons of time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your SharePoint account. Head over to office.com and sign in with your Microsoft credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your SharePoint site. It's usually under the Sites tab. Now, find the file you want to share. It could be a document, image, or folder. Just click on it to open the Details pane. Next, look for the Share button, typically at the top right. Click it, and you'll see options to generate a sharing link. In the 2025 update, SharePoint now includes smarter permission settings, like View Only, or Edit, Access, and even time-based expiration for links, perfect for sensitive projects. Choose who can access it: people in your organization, guests, or anyone with the link. Don't forget to add a message if you want to include context. After setting your preferences, hit Send, or copy the link to share via email or chat. One quick tip: always double-check permissions to avoid accidental exposure. SharePoint's enhanced security features, like activity tracking, let you monitor who views or edits the file. And just like that, you're all set. Sharing files in SharePoint 2025 is straightforward, efficient, and secure. If you run into any issues, check the help section or drop a comment below. We're here to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.